Mastering Kitchen English. The secret of keep it on low heat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common phrase used in cooking contexts. Keep it on low heat. Whether you're a budding chef or just someone trying to navigate through English recipes, understanding this phrase can make a huge difference in your culinary adventures. So, let's get started. The phrase, keep it on low heat, is a cooking instruction that you'll often find in recipes or hear in cooking classes. But what does it actually mean? Simply put, it means to cook something using a low temperature on your stove or cooking surface. The idea is to use just enough heat to cook the food gently, without rushing the process. This technique is crucial for dishes that require slow cooking to bring out their flavors or to avoid burning delicate ingredients. Cooking on low heat is more than just a simple instruction. It's a culinary strategy. It allows flavors to develop fully, tenderizes tougher cuts of meat, and prevents delicate foods from burning or turning mushy. For example, simmering a stew on low heat can transform it from a collection of raw ingredients into a flavorful, cohesive dish. Understanding and applying this technique can be the difference between an average meal and an extraordinary one. So, how do you ensure you're cooking on low heat? Here are a few tips. Look for a simmer. Small bubbles should gently break the surface, not a rolling boil. Use the right burner. On a gas or electric stove, use the smallest burner to better control the low temperature. Adjust as needed. Pay attention to your cooking. If things seem to be heating too quickly, turn the heat down. If too slow, slightly increase it. Patience is key. Remember, cooking on low heat often requires more time, so don't rush the process. Let's put theory into practice with a couple of examples. Making a sauce. When reducing a sauce to thicken it, keeping it on low heat prevents it from burning and ensures that the flavors meld beautifully. Cooking rice or grains. Keeping the heat low avoids scorching and ensures even cooking, resulting in perfectly fluffy rice or tender grains. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, keep it on low heat, in your cooking endeavors. Remember, mastering this technique will not only improve your culinary skills but also enhance your English language proficiency, especially in contexts related to cooking and recipes. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy cooking, and see you in the next one.